Hello my students, class 7, Mahatma Gandhi School Days 1. Today I will discuss the question answers, okay? Now, first question from your book. Describe the character of Mahatma Gandhi as a schoolboy. Now, what is the question? Describe the character of Mahatma Gandhi as a schoolboy. Now, write down the answer, okay? Mahatma Gandhi recollected the memory of his school days. Again, I am repeating the first sentence. Mahatma Gandhi recollected the memory of his school days. Full stop. Now, then you write, he had a sharp memory. He had a sharp memory. Full stop. He confessed that CONFEDAACD. He confessed that he was a mediocre student. Mediocre. MEDIOCRE. Mediocre means ordinary student. He confessed that. Confessed means he admitted. He admitted the truth that CONFEDAACD. He confessed that he was a mediocre student. Full stop. He did never tell a lie from his primary to high school. After full stop you write, he did never tell a lie. L-I-E, lie. Opposite of truth is lie. He did never tell a lie from his primary to high school. Full stop. He was very shy and used to avoid all company. Now, after full stop, you write, he was very shy and used to avoid, AVOID, avoid all company, full stop. His sole companions were SOLE, sole, companions, COMPANIONS, companions were his books and his lessons, full stop. He reached school when it started and returned home as soon as the school was over. After full stop you write, he reached school, REACHED. He reached school when it started and returned home as soon as the school was over. Full stop. He was afraid, AFRAID. He was afraid if anyone used to poke fun at him. Again I am repeating, he was afraid if anyone used to poke fun at him. Full stop. During his school days, Mahatma Gandhi could not learn the art of copying, COPYING, copying from other copies. Let me repeat it. Now, during his school days, after full stop, during his school days, Mahatma Gandhi could not learn the art of copying from other copies, full stop. He had profound respect, PROFOUND, profound respect for his teachers and elders, full stop. He was by nature blind to the false, FAULTS, faults of elders, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi had a great respect for his parents. Mahatma Gandhi had a great respect for his parents, full stop. The book Pitri Bhakti Nataka, PITRI BHAKTI, Pitri Bhakti, P capital letter PITRI, BHAKTI, Pitri Bhakti Nataka, N capital letter NATAKA, Nataka, and the play Harishchandra, H capital letter HARISH, HARISHCHANDRA, Harishchandra had a great impact on his mind. Let me repeat it. The book Pitri Bhakti Nataka and the play Harishchandra had a great impact on his mind, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi literally believed, let me repeat this again, Mahatma Gandhi literally believed, LITERALLY, LITERALLY, literally believed, BELIEVED, believed in the story of Harishchandra. Full stop. When he grew up, Mahatma Gandhi realized that realized that Harishchandra could not have been a historical character, full stop. Let me repeat it again. When he grew up, Mahatma Gandhi realized that Harishchandra could not have been a historical character, HISTORICAL, historical character, full stop. Still, Harishchandra and Sravana, after full stop, still Harishchandra and Sravana are living realities for him. That is, let me explain this. That is, when Mahatma Gandhi grew up, he believed that Harishchandra and Sravana were not the realities. These are all imagination. But it had a great impact on his mind. He believed that these were the real character. The meaning of these sentences are these. Okay, my students, again you listen carefully. After full stop, still Harishchandra and Sravana are living realities for him. REALITIES, realities for him, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi always enjoyed the affection of his teachers. AFFECTION, affection of his teachers. Okay, my students, first question complete. Now, according to me, question number 2, but from your book, question number 4. Write down the question. All of my students, class 7, listen carefully. Question is, how did the story of Sravana affect Gandhiji as a boy? Let me repeat the question again. How did the story of Sravana affect Gandhiji as a boy? Write down the answer carefully, all of my students. Listen carefully. I will repeat the sentences again and again. Now, Mahatma Gandhi's father purchased a book. Answer stars. Listen carefully, my students. Mahatma Gandhi's apostrophe S father purchased, PURCHASED, purchased a book. Within inverted you write Sravana Pitri Bhakti Nataka. It is written in your book Sravana, inverted start, Sravana Pitri Bhakti Nataka. S capital, P capital, N capital. Sravana Pitribhakti Nataka, then within bracket you write a play about Sravana's devotion to his parents. So within bracket you write a play about Sravana's devotion to his parents, in bracket close, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi read the book with keen interest. K-E-E-N, keen means with deep interest or with intense interest. That is, after full stop you write Mahatma Gandhi, R-E-A-D, though the spelling is same, but here R-E-A-D pronunciation is read, that is, it is in past tense. Mahatma Gandhi read the book with keen interest, full stop. Now that is with deep interest. He saw from the itinerant. Now itinerant means moving from here to there. Now itinerant, itinerant, that is itinerant, that is the person traveling from one place to another. Now after full stop you write Mahatma Gandhi read the book with keen interest, full stop. He saw from the itinerant showmen who came to their place. Sravana was carrying his blind parents. Sravana was carrying, C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G, carrying his blind parents on a pilgrimage, P-I-L-G-R-I-M-A-G-E, P-I-L-G-R-I-M-A-G-E, pilgrimage means the holy place, by means of slings, S-L-I-N-G-S, by means of slings, S-L-I-N-G-S, slings fitted to his shoulders, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S, shoulders, full stop. The book and the picture left, and after full stop you write the book and the picture left, L-E-F-T, left, an unforgettable impression on his mind, U-N-F-O-R-G-E-T-T-A-B-L-E, unforgettable. The good English is indelible. I-N-D-E-L-I-B-L-E means unforgettable. So my students, you are in class 7. It is better to write the word indelible. Okay, let me repeat this. After full stop you write the book and the picture left an indelible, I-N-D-E-L-I-B-L-E, indelible impression, I-M-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N, impression on his mind, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi was greatly moved. Mahatma Gandhi was greatly moved by the agonized, A-G-O-N-I-Z-D-D, A-G-O-N-I-Z-D-D, agonized lament, L-A-M-E-N-T, lament of the parents over Sravana's death, Sravana's apostrophe S, over Sravana's death, S-H-R-A-V-A-N-S apostrophe S, death, D-E-A-T-H, death, full stop. Complete this. Now this question answer complete. Now the last question. According to me, third question from your book, question number 5. Write down the question, my students. What lessons did he take away from the play Harishchandra? So, what is the question? What lesson did he take away from the play Harishchandra? Let me repeat it. The question again. What lessons did he take away from the play Harishchandra? Now the answer, the play Harishchandra. Harishchandra, always keep it within single inverted. Captured, C-A-P-T-U-R-E-D, captured Mahatma Gandhi's heart. Gandhi's apostrophe is heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart, full stop. He saw the play several times. After full stop, he saw the play several times, full stop. He acted Harishchandra to himself uncountable times. He acted Harishchandra to himself uncountable times. U-N-C-O-U-N-T-A-B-L-E, uncountable times, full stop. He wanted everyone should be truthful like Harishchandra. Let me repeat this sentence again. He wanted everyone should be truthful like Harishchandra, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi during his school days was highly inspired by the ideals, I-D-E-A-L-S, by the ideals of Harishchandra, full stop. Mahatma Gandhi during his school days was highly inspired by the ideals of Harishchandra, full stop. He literally believed, after full stop, he literally, here literally means in the true sense of the term, that is really, he literally, L-I-T-E-R-A-L-L-Y, he literally believed, B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D, believed in the story of Harishchandra, full stop. Let me repeat this sentence again. He literally believed in the story of Harishchandra, full stop. The truth and ordeals, O-R-D-E-A-L-S, ordeals means something very difficult and tough to go through. That is something very difficult and tough thing. We have to pass through that difficult and tough things. That is ordeals. So let me repeat the sentence. That is the last sentence of this question. The truth and ordeals, O-R-D-E-A-L-S, ordeals that Harishchandra followed in his life, inspired, I-N-S-P-I-R-E-D, inspired Mahatma Gandhi. So the last sentence is, the truth and ordeals that Harishchandra followed in his life inspired Mahatma Gandhi. My students, that is all of your question answers. Now follow it very carefully. And what I have given to you, the questions are from your book and answers given by me. You must read it thoroughly, okay? Now few word meaning. Number 1, itinerant. Pronunciation is itinerant, I-T-I-N-E-R-A-N-T hyphen, traveling from place to place. That is itinerant. That is traveling from place to place. Number 2, indelible, I-N-D-E-L-I-B-L-E hyphen, write the meaning unforgettable, unforgettable, unforgettable. Then ordeals dash something very difficult and tough to go through. Let me repeat the meaning again. Something very difficult and tough, T-O-U-G-H, tough to go through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Now, diminish. Next word is diminish. D-I-M-I-N-I-S-H, diminish. Hyphen, make or become less. Make or become less. Then agonized dash suffering from great physical or mental pain. Agonized, A-G-O-N-I-Z-E-D, agonized dash suffering from great physical or mental pain. Then lament, L-A-M-E-N-T, lament, hyphen, to express great sorrow or regret. The last meaning of the word lament, L-A-M-E-N-T, lament, hyphen, to express great sorrow or regret, R-E-G-R-E-T, regret. So to express, E-X-P-R-E-S-S, express great sorrow, S-O-R-R-O-W, sorrow or regret. Okay, my students, today up till this. Now, next day, Mahatma Gandhi's school days too, I will start. Okay, wish you a happy weekend. See you in my next class. Okay, thank you very much.
বুঝতে